All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming back to you again because I really want to get into this topic and this information that has dropped on the scene. Please excuse my glasses. I got to get my little film fixed. But however, ladies and gentlemen, this is a tax issue and this has been dropped on the floor as an introduction. It's not a bill yet, but it's just introduced to the public. So don't forget to follow me and y'all go ahead and tune in and let's talk about it because we like to read on this channel. We don't like to just talk about a whole bunch of stuff and it's just a bunch of subliminal nothing. What we want to do is just have facts and information. That's a new bill. HR 25, also known as the Fair Tax Act, is a bill that proposes to eliminate the federal income tax, payroll taxes, estate taxes, death tax, and gift tax, replacing them with national sales tax on goods and services. The bill's main goal are to simplify taxation, promote economic growth, and shift tax collections to another level. The key provisions of HR 25 is to abolish the IRS. The bill eliminates the Internal Revenue Service as it would no longer be needed for income tax collections. It also, on the national sales tax, instead of an income tax, a flat rate national sales tax expected to be around 23 to 30% will be applied to all new goods and services purchased in the USA. Used goods will be exempt. Okay, on a state level administration, the states will collect the tax and remit it to the federal government, reducing direct federal involvement in tax collection. Prebate system to prevent a higher tax burden on low-income individuals. The bill includes a prebate monthly tax rebate to cover the basic living expenses for all legal U.S. residents. The economic impact: the bill aims to promote economic growth, job creation, and investment by eliminating taxes on productivity such as income, payroll, and capital gains. Critics argue that a national sales tax could disproportionately impact lower income individuals and might not generate sufficient revenue, which is, of course, that's Democrats, that's the critics, okay? So the system and the support of the criticism, those who support it, simplifies the tax return and simplifies the tax system, encourage saving and investment, reducing government bureaucracy. Most critics argue could be regressive, affecting lower income individuals more, and they also are saying Democrats, sales tax may need to be very high to replace income tax revenue. Risk of tax evasion with under the table transactions. Okay, that's what they're scared of. So they are scared of the evasion. Some people might just get by with just doing a whole bunch of stuff and all that kind of whatever, you know how they do. But anyways, that bill was introduced today. Now keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this same bill was introduced in 2003. Okay, but it hit the floor. It didn't get looked at. That was no noise. So now that Trump is in office, what they're doing now is about to look at it and go over it, so the entire bill can be through the floor and people can read it and find out what's really going and actually build a foundation around it so that it can actually pass. So the plan has been hit the floor. It has been introduced again by a representative. I don't know his name, but he is a Republican. So we're going to find out what's going on with this. You can look it up online. You can go read about it. HR 25. It is to promote freedom, fairness, and economic opportunity to repealing the tax and other taxes, abolishing the IRS, and enacting a sales tax to be administered primarily by the states. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned.